Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a few older cars I got here that I'm just going to make a few videos of them because I don't have a whole lot of them, but they're just certain sets that I had. Like, I'll show you this one here. Now this is the Volvo drift car right there. Now I'll show you these because I don't have a whole lot of this drift set. But there's that one. And I think this is the one with the dogs in it. And the drift license plate. And let's see, we got another drift one here. This is the Dodge Challenger drift car. And nice looking, not bad. And I have two of these drift cars. Same car, just different color. There's the name right there. 95, 95. One is blue and green, and the other one is blue and silver. Pretty much the same livery, Vulcan. But yeah, that's all the drift ones I had. I'll show you the Roadmasters, or the Roadsters. Sorry, there's a Roadster. Here is the, I got a 72 Stingray. Like I say, there's 8 in the set. I'm not going to collect all 8. I just got what I needed. That was one of them. And here is the Pagani. I'm not going to get there and say it all. You know, you can see it there anyway. Again, Roadster. Yeah. Oh, they got a... Strange to see Hot Wheels do that. They got all the temples on this one. Like the lights there, and got the lights in the front. And gold wheels. And I also got 2 of these, which I don't know why, because I'm not a big Corvette fan. Although I think this is the best shirt he put out. I'm not a big fan of the new one. I don't like the mid-engine Corvette. That's just my taste, but... And here is the Sland. I got a couple of these too, so... This is the Continental. All that gold. And got the purple interior. And you also have the Sland, and this is the Volvo 240 drift car. And I was looking for the Super on this one, but no such luck. But this one here is the same as this one here. Got the dogs in the back, as well as this one. So they're pretty much, they are the same car, but this one is slammed, and this one is drift. So that's that one. And I had to get 2 of these because I love this truck. This is a beautiful truck. Love the colors. Don't have much in the dump. I think that's a tank for the razor up and down, I guess. Love the chrome. Got the black interior. Beautiful truck. Love her. Beautiful. Okay. So I also got 2 of the Bone Shakers. Like I say, I don't really need 2, so I'll probably let one of these go later on. like I say, I got enough there now for put on classifieds, or I might just have a yard sale. And I got 2 of these, one in the matte black, one in the yellow. That is the 47 Chev Fleetline. So we got 2 of those. And we have a mod rod, which is black, like a matte black. I don't know if there's anything inside there. I don't see anything. I'll bring it up close. I don't know if you guys can see anything or not. That's that one. And I have the 32 Ford. This was a Super Treasure Hunt, which I didn't get. Got the chrome engine. Yeah, there's the card. And the last one is the custom Cadillac. And it has the little go-kart in the back. Yeah. I like the color of this one. This one is a nice color. Yeah. So guys, that's it for that. I don't know if you like what I got here. You just click on the like button. Want to subscribe, just click on the subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like to see any other little sets I have. In the meantime, we'll be seeing you again. Later now.